Your doctor tells you, I'm going to prescribe a steroid. And you think, what? Why would my doctor give me a steroid? Isn't that like for bodybuilders or something? I don't want to be on steroids. Let's explain that a little more in detail today. I'm your prednisone pharmacist, Dr. Megan, and I'll explain what the confusion is and how prednisone is a steroid, but not what you think. So this is prednisone. When you see the chemical structure in the medicinal chemistry lab, this is what it looks like. There's hydrogen and oxygen, that's the H and the O, and those little black lines represent carbon. It is an amazing, miraculous drug for people for a lot of conditions. And it mimics other structures that look just like this in your body. Let me show you what they look like. These are little pictures of other chemicals in your body. So prednisone mimics the top left one, cortisol. It is replacing the cortisol in your body to help you get better from some condition, whether it's pneumonia or a bleeding condition like mine, or maybe to help you with cancer or a transplant. Lots of reasons. But prednisone looks just like this hormone, cortisol. Cortisol looks like other things. Cortisol looks like other hormones like progesterone. That's the female hormone that is really high during pregnancy. Then in the bottom right corner is testosterone. Testosterone is also a steroid because all steroids have this chemical structure. They call it a heterocyclic ring. Those 6-sided rings that are connected. That makes it a steroid. But prednisone is not the same kind of steroid as testosterone. Prednisone is a certain kind of steroid, and testosterone and other bodybuilder hormones are anabolic steroids. This is what people take who want big muscles, want to show off at the gym, want to have weird changes to their voice and facial hair, if women take it. There are other things like testosterone that they can inject or take as a pill or lots of ways. And those are steroids, but they're not the same kind of steroid. Let me show you the other type of word to represent the type of steroids on the top left. These are other names. So steroid hormones was all of those. Glucocorticoid is the specific type of steroid hormone that prednisone is. That's the type of class it is. So glucocorticoid means it's helping with glucose and blood sugar regulation. That's why one of the number one side effects is high blood sugar. Then another word for it is corticosteroids. That's talking about the adrenal cortex, cortex, the adrenal cortex. That helps your body regulate stress. So that's why it's helpful when you're sick to take prednisone, because it's helping you deal with that kind of stress. Then mixing those two words together is glucocorticosteroid. And finally, all of these hormones that signal to other parts of the brain are part of the endocrine system. So prednisone is also called an endocrine hormone. Prednisone is not an anabolic steroid. Prednisone is not for bodybuilders because it will do the opposite. It will waste away your muscles. So now you know the answer. Prednisone is a steroid, but steroid means a lot of things, and it is not a bodybuilder hormone. If you're taking prednisone and you're struggling with side effects, go to my website, prednisonepharmacist.com, and get your free prednisone wellness checklist. It'll give you tips on what you can do to help combat the side effects, to know when to talk to your doctor, and to find ways to deal with those side effects naturally. Check it out at prednisonepharmacist.com.